Are you out there?
Ratchet, you heard that pirate. Darkwater's dead. And there are no Zoni on Murdergraph. Rusty Pete tricked us.
Hey, he sent us here for a reason. There has to be some kind of connection.
The drawbridge is rusted shut. Hey, maybe you can use your wrench's kinetic tether. Think you can handle this one? Nice job, Ratchet. Come on, I'll race you to the beach.
Hey there, young fella. Welcome to Hula-Fa Island. My name's Barnabas Worley. Mayor Barnabas Worley, to be precise. What brings you here? A cannon! It must have been messing around with those pirates. Well, any enemy of Sprocket and his gang is a friend of the island.
We're trying to contact a friend of ours, but I can't seem to catch a signal. I don't suppose you have a radio tower we could use.
Sorry, miss. We had a supply beacon, but someone vandalized it last night. But if you help us repair it, I'm sure you'll be able to contact your friend. Really? Well, that is good news. Just climb to the top of each wind turbine and give the old boat Clank a turn.
Check out the wind turbine. I'll head to higher ground. If I can catch a signal, maybe we can outrepeat what we're supposed to be looking for.
Well, look who's here. Small galaxy, ain't it?
Ah, too small. Ah.
So, what brings you to Murdergraph, friend? Well, how fortuitous. I myself am quite the resourceful entrepreneur, if you know what I'm saying. Well, if you need anything, you give me a holler. I just might have something useful for you. You know what I mean?
Thanks, stranger. 4 more wind turbines and we'll be back in business.